Hello students, I am Dr. Sandeep Gaute. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel English Guru for All. In today's video lesson, we are going to discuss one chapter from unit number 2, and the title of chapter is Let Us March. This is the 2.5, means this is the 5th chapter from unit number 2. This is a speech by Kailash Satyarthi, and the text of the speech is prescribed here. Subject is English, class 10th, medium English, and board is Maharashtra State Board. Dear students, this is part number 2. I made 2 videos of this chapter, Let Us March. Part 1 already I uploaded on my YouTube channel, and this is part 2. Before starting for this part 2, I would like to tell, or I would like to revise what we discussed in part 1 or in general about this chapter. Let Us March is an inspirational speech. This is a motivational speech. It was given by Kailash Satyarthi in 2014 in the Nobel Peace Prize ceremony. And in this speech, what he recounts several incidents, several examples, and his own experiences. And even he talked about shame on humanity, as there are so many people who are denying the rights of children. In this lesson, in this speech, he also gives us a brief idea of his organization's effort to rescue small innocent children from stone quarries, coal mines, explosive factories, kidnapping rackets, and some terrorist activities also. He is requesting the audience and giving so many examples that we have to do the work collectively. And if we are going to do this work collectively, then it is possible to give the justice to the children. Now we are going to start with part number 2, and we are going to discuss this particular text line to line, so you will understand this one very nicely, and definitely it will be useful for you. Dear students, I request you to subscribe, like, and share my channel, and definitely my videos are a little bit lengthy, but they are too very useful, because if you are going to watch the video, then each and every doubt will be cleared in this video. Now we are going to start with part number 2 of Let Us March. In today's video lesson, we are going to talk about part 2, and we are going to discuss this one line by line, and every word we are going to discuss. And if we are going to take this one in detail, definitely it will be useful for you in the upcoming examinations. Dear students, let me start with the first paragraph of part 2. We can do it. Now here we can find some kind of positive attitude of Kailash Satyarthi. Yes, he is positive person, and he is saying that we can do it means we have to fight for the rights of the children, and we must do, and we must together we have to protect the rights of the children, and definitely it is possible. Now what is given in the next paragraph? You may ask that what can one person do? I would recall a story of my childhood. A heavy fire had broken out in the forest. All the animals were running away, including lion, the king of the forest. Suddenly then he saw a tiny bird rushing towards the fire. He asked the bird, "What are you doing?" To the lion's surprise, the bird replied, I am going to extinguish the fire." The lion laughed and said, "How can you do it keeping just one drop of water in your beak?" The bird was adamant, and she said, "I am doing my bit." And over here in this paragraph, Kailash Satyarthi told one story प्लीज़ डियर स्टूडेंट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। यहाँ पे उन्होंने जो स्टोरी बताई है, ये स्टोरी फॉर व्हाट, वी ऑल हैव टू डू इट. उन्होंने ये स्टोरी में से क्या कहा है, फॉर ऑल और टू ऑल द पीपल ही इज saying that if we do the work together, and for that he has given that example of what? There was fire in the forest, and even the lion was running out of that forest, and he saw, lion is called the king of the forest, everybody knows this one, and he saw that one tiny bird is taking some drops of water in its beak and going towards fire. And the lion asked, what are you doing? And the bird is saying, and the bird said, what? I am trying to stop the fire. And the lion laughed and said, is it possible for you taking some water, one drop of water in your beak, and you are trying to stop it? And in that case, adamant means what? Immovable, unwavering. The bird was adamant. Means what? You can say confident, yes. And the bird said, I am doing my bit, yes, whatever I can contribute I can do it, and if we all do it, we can what? Extinguish the fire. In the same way, Kailash Satyarthi ji is talking or saying to all, if we are going to decide, all people, yes, we are going to provide good education to children, then we are going to provide whatever are their rights, we have to give them, yes, and it is possible. He is motivating people, he is trying to feel, Kailash Satyarthi ji is trying to feel the positivity in the minds of the people. Dear students, very important story is over here told by Kailash Satyarthi to motivate the people for the sake of what? To fight against child labor. Now we are going to discuss the next paragraph. Next paragraph is let me take the pen over here. Okay. 18 years ago, millions of individuals marched across the globe and demanded a new international law for the abolition of worst form of the child labor, and it has happened. We did it. Millions of individuals did it. Now you have to take the reference for this one to understand this paragraph. We have to take the reference of this paragraph. What is given in this previous paragraph? The story was told by Kailash Satyarthi, and he is saying that if every individual, if every person is going to do this, and he is giving the example of what? There was the international law, it was passed against what? That is child labor. Child labor के against जो law बनाया गया था. And who were there? So many people, millions of individuals, different persons were there, and they came together, and they, what is given here, please, march across the globe. In all over the world these people worked, and they got this particular law. And that, what is that law? That is the international law for the abolition of worst form of child labor. Abolition means to remove. What is the meaning of abolition? To remove. Students, I told you the meaning of abolition over here. Abolition means what? Ending or stopping the worst form of child labor, and the law was passed. And Kailash Satyarthi is trying to say over here that we have to come together, and this must be the teamwork. And he is telling the people, yes, it is possible. And he gave some examples, he told the story, even he gave this example of what? Passing this international law, and so many people came together, so many individuals came together, and that is why it happened. Dear students, hope you are getting. Please try to understand. This is a little bit lengthy lesson, and we need to understand this one in detail. Next paragraph I'm going to read, and the first two lines are over here, and now then we are going to move to the next page. Friends, we live in an age of rapid globalization. We are connected through high-speed internet. Now this is given on the next page. Now in these first two lines, what is told? Now he is giving the example of globalization. Rapid means so fast. This is the age of rapid globalization, and everybody knows. Dear students, even आपको पता है कि globalization है, easily we can contact anybody. We are connected to each other. and one of them is what? That is we are connected through high speed internet. Now this is the example of what? Yes, this is related to technology. Now why is he giving this example? Let me read the next part of this paragraph. We exchange our goods and services. Now what is there? We exchange our goods and services in one single global market. Thousands of flights every day connect us from one corner to another corner of the globe. But there is one serious disconnect, and there is a lack of compassion. What is the meaning of compassion? That is pity and concern for those suffering. Let us inculcate. Inculcate means we have to develop. Inculcate and transform these individuals' compassion into a global compassion. Let us globalize compassion. Dear students, यहाँ पे कैलाश सत्यार्थी is talking about what? He has given the example of what? We have high speed internet. Yes, already I told you that, and everybody knows this one. And he is saying that even on one click you can goods and services. It is possible. So many, with the help of internet, you can put or you can place your orders online, and you can get your whatever service or whatever goods you want at your home, at your doorstep. सिर्फ आपको ऑर्डर देना है, एंड ऑन वन क्लिक इट इज पॉसिबल. एंड कैलाश सत्यार्थी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट? thousands of flights every day. They are going from internationally. They are international transportation is there, and flights are there, airports are there. We know that one, and easily you can go from one place to another place easily. But he is saying, okay, fine, we are connected. We are living. This is the period of what? Globalization. But he is saying that there is a serious problem. There is a serious, yes, we are connected, but there is one disconnect. And what is that disconnect? We do not understand others' suffering. Concern. We should have some kind of concern for those suffering. जो दुखी है उनके लिए हमें काम करना है, एंड वी शुड हैव सम काइंड ऑफ कंसर्न फॉर देम आल्सो. हमें कुछ लगना चाहिए. यस, दे आर सफरिंग एंड वी हैव टू हेल्प देम, एंड दैट इज द कंपैशन. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको अच्छे तरीके से समझ लेना है कि ये कंपैशन जो है, इट शुड, एवरी इंडिविजुअल शुड हैव दिस कंपैशन. And that is why he is saying what? Let us, we all. Let us means what? We all have to what? Inculcate this and transform these individuals' compassion. Individual compassion of what? Having some kind of pity and concern for those suffering. जो दुखी है उनके लिए concern चाहिए, pity चाहिए. Yes, we must be kind and we have to transform. If I feel, अगर कोई एक व्यक्ति को लगता है yes, I should do something for that person because that person is suffering, and this individual compassion, we must come together. ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ आ गए तो ये हो जाएगा global compassion. And that is why at the end he is saying what over here? Let us globalize compassion. So he is motivating the people. Yes, and around people there are so many individuals all over the world. They are working for the rights of children, and in the same way he is trying to inculcate, he is trying to motivate, he is trying to ignite all the people. Now what is next? Mahatma Gandhi said, if we are to teach real peace in this world, we shall have to begin with the children. I humbly add, let us unite the world through the compassion for our children. And I ask, what is that? I ask, who children are they who stitch footballs yet never played with one? Okay, we will discuss this part after explanation of this one. Now, what is given there? Kailash Satyarthi is giving the example of Mahatma Gandhi. And he is saying that, okay, what Mahatma Gandhi said, if we want to teach real peace, what is real peace? Shanti kya hai to this world? Then we have to start what? We have to start from our children. And for that, if they are the symbol of peace, if the children are the symbol of peace, then we have to think about their sufferings also. The compassion for our children is very important. We should understand their sufferings and we have to work for them. Dear students, in part 2, you need to understand how Kailash Satyarthi is putting this particular issue of the world, that is child labor, before his audience and people are listening to him. What matters according to Kailash Satyarthi? Now we are going to even discuss the answer of this one. Let me discuss the next paragraph first. Now, what is given there? I ask, who children are they who stage footballs yet never played with one? Yes, very nice example. स्टूडेंट्स आपको समझ लेना है कि बहुत ही अच्छा एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे दिया है. स्टूडेंट्स, इवन चिल्ड्रन प्ले विथ व्हाट? फुटबॉल्स. बट who are they or who are these people who are teaching these football? जो फुटबॉल बनाते वो कौन है? Whether they played with that or not. Whose children are they who harvest cocoa yet have never tasted chocolate? यहाँ पे उन्होंने कहा है हार्वेस्ट, जो कोकोआ का हार्वेस्ट करते हैं. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हार्वेस्ट? यू कैन से व्हाट? प्रोडक्शन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर आइटम विच इज नीडेड फॉर व्हाट? चॉकलेट. चॉकलेट बनाने के लिए जो लगता है कोकोआ, एंड द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ दैट, जो चिल्ड्रन है जो वो प्रोडक्शन करते हैं, उन्होंने कभी चॉकलेट टेस्ट किए हैं क्या? This is really ironical. He is giving very nice examples over here. Ironical in what sense? देखिए ना, आपके पास आपने ये प्रोडक्शन किया है, लेकिन आपको पता नहीं how is the test of that one. It may be possible. Who children are they who are dying of Ebola? Yes, this is the dangerous disease, and Ebola. We need to think about that. Who are dying of Ebola? Who children are they who are kidnapped and held hostage? They are all our children. Now dear students, ये जो 4 यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल्स कैलाश सत्यार्थी जी ने दिए हैं, पहला जो दिया है, these are just symbolical सिम्बल्स है. जैसे कि सिम्बल्स इन व्हाट सेंस? जो फुटबॉल टीचिंग का काम करते हैं, उन्होंने अभी तक फुटबॉल के साथ खेले है कि नहीं, वी डू नॉट नो. जो चॉकलेट के लिए जो लगता है रॉ मटेरियल, जो चिल्ड्रन है उन्होंने चॉकलेट टेस्ट किया है या नहीं. इवन देर आर सम चिल्ड्रन दे आर डाइंग जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इबोला. देर आर सम चिल्ड्रन इवन दे आर किडनैप्ड. किडनैपिंग के बहुत सारे केसेस हम डे बाय डे देखते हैं. एंड हेल्ड होस्टेज, इवन पैसों के लिए उन्हें होस्टेज बनाया जाता है. ऐसे जो चिल्ड्रन है, दीज आर आर चिल्ड्रन. आर मीन्स व्हाट? वी ऑल. एंड दैट इज वाई कैलाश सत्यार्थी इज आस्किंग दिस पीपल. Now he is saying what is given in the next paragraph. I remember an 8-year-old girl we rescued from intergenerational forced labor from stone quarries. When she was sitting in my car, right after her rescue, she asked me, why did you not come earlier? Now another example over here. पार्ट 1 में जो देखिए, आपको अगर याद होगा तो देखिए, पहले सुदानीज जो चाइल्ड था, एक चाइल्ड सोल्जर था, उसका एग्जाम्पल दिया है, एक लड़की का एग्जाम्पल दिया था. नाउ ही इज गिविंग अनदर एग्जाम्पल ओवर हियर. 8-year-old गर्ल, एंड शी वॉज रेस्क्यूड. शी वॉज फ्रीड बाय कैलाश सत्यार्थी एंड हिज टीम. एंड देर इज इंटरजेनरेशनल. व्हाट इज इन्वॉल्विंग सेवरल जनरेशंस? मतलब जनरेशन टू जनरेशन जो काम होता है, वही काम आपने करना है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड, वो एटीट्यूड की वजह से क्या हुआ? शी वॉज, इवन दैट 8-year-old गर्ल वॉज फोर्स लेबर फ्रॉम स्टोन क्वेरीज. क्वेरीज का मतलब हम क्या कहते हैं उसे? खदान जिसे कहते हैं हम, खदान. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ क्वेरी? खदान. और वहाँ पे उसे काम करना पड़ता था. And when she was sitting in Kailash Satyarthi's car, right after her rescue, when she was freed from that one, and she asked Kailash Satyarthi, what she asked? Why did you not come earlier? आप इससे पहले क्यों नहीं आए? Now see, even children they are suffering from such kind of problems. And that is why we have to work for the rights of the children. Now the next paragraphs I'm going to read. Hope you all are getting. My lessons are a little bit lengthy, but dear students, I'm sure that you are going to understand each and everything from the lesson. Now, what is the next paragraph? Her angry question still shakes me. Now, this is very important. It is really, and if even Kailash Satyarthi was unhappy, he even, what is that? He was thinking, how this girl, she is asking me the question. And yes, we are not thinking about the sufferings of the children. And yes, you must be sensitive to understand such things. Right? And has the power to shake the whole world. The entire world will understand the pain, will understand, or we can understand the suffering of that girl. Her question is for all of us. वो क्वेश्चन सिर्फ कैलाश सत्यार्थी जी के लिए नहीं था. द क्वेश्चन इज द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वी कैन से. वो जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, वो लड़की ने जो पूछा था, व्हाई डिड यू नॉट कम अर्लियर, एंड दिस क्वेश्चन वाज फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. व्हाट आर वी डूइंग, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, व्हाट आर वी वेटिंग फॉर, हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स विल वी अलाउ टू गो विदाउट रेस्क्यू, and there are so many still, and we have to work for them. Children are questioning our inaction and watching our actions, and children are even there, even children are clever. And Kailash Satyarthi ji is saying what? Children are questioning our inaction. Inaction मतलब हम कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे उनके sufferings के against. Yes, we have to free them, we have to free them, and if we are not doing anything, then we are inactive. They are watching our actions. Yes, every child is watching our action, and we have to do something good for them. We need collective actions with a sense of urgency. Yes, collective. Look over here. What is the focus of Kailash Satyarthi? Collective work. All have to work for this godly cause. Yes, everyone. And since this is urgent, we have to make such children free. Every single minute matters. Every single child matters. Every single childhood matters. यहाँ पे हमें उनकी जो सेंसिटिविटी है यहाँ पे रिलेटेड टू चिल्ड्रन, राइट्स ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. देखिए ना, हर एक पैराग्राफ में, हर एक सेंटेंस में आपको दिखाई देगा ही इज जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट चिल्ड्रन एंड देयर सफरिंग्स, एंड he is motivating all those who are inactive. We have to do something for children, and this is collective action. We have to do it collectively. And therefore I challenge the passivity and pessimism surrounding our children. I challenge this culture of silence and this culture of passivity, this culture of neutrality. Dear students, यहाँ पे इन्होंने जिस्ट दिया है, समरी दी है, अभी तक क्या कहना चाहते थे वो. ही चैलेंजिंग, यस, व्हाट इज दैट? पैसिविटी, नो एक्शन टेकन. हम बहुत बार देखते हैं कि चाइल्ड लेबर वहाँ पे कुछ शॉप्स में काम कर रहे हो, आजू बाजू में काम करते हो, लेकिन हम क्या करते, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू, नज़रअंदाज कर देते. वी आर नॉट रेडी टू टॉक टू द पेरेंट्स और टॉक टू द पीपल हु आर एंगेजिंग दीज चिल्ड्रेन इन चाइल्ड लेबर. एंड दिस इज पेसिमिज्म. ये निराशाजनक ऐसा एटमॉस्फियर रहता है. एंड वी शुड डू समथिंग फॉर द चिल्ड्रन, एंड इट इज मेकिंग the surrounding of our children passive and pessimistic. Sad is, you can say, sad one, without hope. And even Kailash Satyarthi is saying, I challenge this every culture of silence, those who are not ready to understand the sufferings of children. And culture of passivity. What is passivity? Already that is given, no action taken. And this culture of neutrality. What is the meaning of neutrality? Not supporting or helping. हमेशा देखिए, हम देखते हैं कि हम न्यूट्रल रहते बहुत टाइम में. न्यूट्रल मतलब आई डोंट हैव एनी कंसर्न, मेरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाला. एंड दिस एटीट्यूड इज नॉट गुड एट ऑल. एंड कैलाश सत्यार्थी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. Now some questions are given there. What was Mr. Satyarthi's vision as a child? His vision is what? To provide each and everything, or all the rights of education, all the rights of children to them. What does Satyarthi challenge? And Satyarthi challenging, already I explained to you through this paragraph. related to passivity and pessimism, culture of silence, culture of passivity, and culture of neutrality. He challenges all these aspects of the society. Why does the 8-year-old girl's question shake Mr. Satyarthi? Yes, what was the reason? He thought that okay, that girl is just the representative of one, and there are many. They are suffering. In this way, I explain this part of the lesson, and hope lesson. Let us march. Hope you are getting. Please listen to me carefully. Now we are going to start with the last part from this lesson. Let us march. And this is a speech by Kailash Satyarthi. Now, what is given in part 3? I am going to summarize all three, part 1, part 2, part 3 later on, just to try to understand what is given first. Now part 3, I am going to read the first paragraph from part 3. I call upon all the governments, intergovernmental agencies, businesses, faith leaders, workers, teachers and NGOs, and each one of us to put an end to all forms of violence against children. Slavery, trafficking, child marriages, child labor, sexual abuse and illiteracy, these things have no place in any civilized society. Now I am going to highlight some points over here. Slavery, trafficking, child marriages, then child labor, then sexual abuse and illiteracy. All these are the problems. Now Kailash Satyarthi is asking to all the governments, all agencies of intergovernmental agencies, all businesses, all leaders, all workers, teachers, NGOs, all people, one and all. And he is saying that we have to, each one of us, हर एक आदमी ने, हर एक व्यक्ति ने काम करना है. किस लिए? We have to stop. We have to stop what? All types of sufferings, all types of violence, all types of fights or problems which are against children. ऐसे जो कोई भी सफरिंग है, कोई भी सफरिंग रहे जो चिल्ड्रन के अगेंस्ट हो, हमें उसे ख़त्म करना है. एंड ही हैज़ रियली स्टेटेड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम्स हो. ये स्लेवरी जिसे हम गुलामी कहते हैं, ट्रैफिकिंग, ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग का एक ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग किया जाता है. एक चाइल्ड मैरिजेस, अर्ली मैरिज जो होता है चिल्ड्रन का, दैट इज़ इवन नॉट गुड. चाइल्ड लेबर, सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ एंड इलिटरेसी. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे हमेशा हमें देखते हम इन सोसाइटी वी कैन ऑब्जर्व ऑल दिस थिंग्स. एवरी डे देयर इज़ नॉट अ डे ऑन द टेलीविजन और ऑन द न्यूज़ यू कैनॉट हैव एनी न्यूज़ रिलेटेड टू सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़. रेप के बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हमें जो है हर दिन दिखाई देते हैं. स्टिल वी आर insensitive. And that is why there are persons like Kailash Satyarthi, they are working for the rights of children. Child labor है हम देखते हैं, लेकिन we are not going to take any kind of action. Illiteracy, एजुकेशन से उन्हें डिप्राइव कर दिया जाता है, एजुकेशन नहीं दिया जाता है. So we have to work against all these problems of the children. एंड इफ़ वी आर द पार्ट ऑफ सिविलाइज सोसाइटी, हम अच्छे सोसाइटी, गुड सोसाइटी के अगर हम है ऐसे हम कहते हैं, तो वी हैव टू स्टॉप ऑल दिस प्रॉब्लम्स. फ्रेंड्स, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. फ्रेंड्स, वी कैन डू दिस. गवर्नमेंट्स मस्ट टेक चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली पॉलिसीज and invest in education and young people. Businesses must be more responsible, accountable and open to innovative. Innovative means what is that? Having new advanced ideas or methods, new ideas. Partnerships, intergovernmental agencies must work together to accelerate action. Global civil society must rise above the business as usual and fragmented agendas. What is the fragmented agendas? Fragmented means split, disunified, separate. Agendas means we should have some kind of plan. Faith leaders and institutions and all of us must stand with our children. ये पैराग्राफ में, ये जो पैराग्राफ है, in this paragraph Kailash Satyarthi has told or he stated what should different aspects of the society do. Just like government should do what? They should have some kind of, or they should generate some good policies for the children. They have to give, or they have to provide education to children, young people. And businesses must be responsible, accountable, and they should have some kind of innovative things for children. और इंटर गवर्नमेंटल एजेंसी जो होते हैं उन्होंने क्या करना है, दे हैव टू एक्सेलरेट, उन्होंने ये प्रोग्रेस होने के लिए क्या करना है, ये सब जो गवर्नमेंट हो या बिजनेसेस हो उसे एक्सेलरेट करना है, उसे आगे ढकेलना है हमें. यस, वी हैव टू डू दिस वन फॉर द सेक ऑफ प्रोग्रेस, पॉजिटिव प्रोग्रेस, प्लीज कीप इन माइंड. एंड दैट इज वाई वी शुड हैव व्हाट दिस, ये जो अभी ये है, this is what we call global civil society जो है, they all must come together, all, and even our leaders and institutions, they must stand with our children, and then it is possible. Now कैलाश सत्यार्थी जी का जो काम है, आपको यह समझ आता होगा कि किस प्रकार से वो काम कर रहे हैं और किस प्रकार से उन्होंने लोगों से, देखिए ना, फ्रॉम इंडिविजुअल टू the governmental organizations, even the government, for the entire world, he is requesting, we can say, he is saying that when he is telling each and every person, we have to contribute for what? For the rights of children. Hope, dear students, you are getting whatever I am discussing over here. The next part I am going to discuss now. What is the next part? We finished the first two. Okay, now we must be bold. We must be bold. We must be ambitious, and we must have the will. We must keep our promises. Yes, we. यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत ही important ऐसी चीज़ यहाँ पे कैलाश सत्यार्थी जी की है. We. He is not saying I. Look, he is saying that we, as the team members, we all have to do it. We must be bold, confident. We must be ambitious. हमें करना है. And we must have the will. We should have that desire. And we must keep our promises. Whatever promises we have made, we have to follow them. Over 50 years ago, he is talking about the past now. Over 50 years ago, on the first day of my school, I met a cobbler boy my age sitting outside the gate of my school. I asked my teachers, why is he working outside? Why is he not with us in the school? My teachers had no answer. One day I gathered the courage to ask the boy's father, and then he said, sir, I have never thought about it. We are born to work. We are born to work. In this particular paragraph, there is the particular experience of कैलाश सत्यार्थी. जब वो स्कूल में जाते थे, उनके साथ जो बाकी स्टूडेंट्स हैं एंड स्टूडेंट्स थे, and there were some children, they were sitting outside the school and they were doing the work of what? They were the children of cobbler. हमें पता है cobbler. What is the work of cobbler? You can say they are repairing our shoes and chappals and that. And then even Kailash Satyarthi asked to the teacher, what's the problem? Why these children are not coming to the school? And that confidence, we must be bold. And one day what happened? Kailash Satyarthi himself went to the children's father, and then what is there? He went and asked them, okay, what is the problem? And then the father said, what, sir? I have never thought about it. Look, even that thinking should come, and that is why you have to work for children. His answer made me angry. It still makes me angry. Now, yes, Kailash Satyarthi ji was so sensitive even in his childhood, and this experience, उनका जो experience है वो ही हमें यहाँ पे बताता है. As a child, I had a vision of tomorrow. Look, as a child, I had a vision of tomorrow, a vision of that cobbler boy sitting with me in my classroom. And what is that? On that day, yes, tomorrow. What should be the tomorrow? That cobbler boy should come and sit in the class next to me. Now that tomorrow has become today. Yes, we achieved something. अभी उन्होंने कहा है कुछ लोग हैं जो दे आर गिविंग एजुकेशन टू देयर चिल्ड्रन। और जो मेरे बचपन में मैंने टुमारो देखा था, कल देखा था, एंड दैट टुमारो इज नथिंग बट टुडे। आई एम टुडे एंड यू आर टुडे। नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, लेट मी scroll it down. What is there? I am today and you are today. Today it is time for every child to have a right to the life, a right to freedom, a right to health, a right to education, a right to safety, a right to dignity, a right to equality, and right to peace. All these are the rights of children. Now what is that? What rights should every child have in our times? What is your vision of tomorrow? Yes, our vision. The reader's vision is asked over there. Now the question is over here. This is also important. You can write down this one in your notebook, students. What is there? Right to life, a right to freedom, then a right to health, a right to education, a right to safety, a right to dignity, a right to equality, and right to peace. All these are the rights of the children. Today, beyond the darkness. Now what is given there? Hope you are getting, dear students. Please आपको ध्यान में रखना है, अच्छे तरीके से मुझे सुनिए ताकि आपका हर एक डाउट यहाँ पे क्लियर हो. होप यू आर गेटिंग. अभी तक हमने क्या देखा है, किस प्रकार से कैलाश सत्यार्थी सब लोगों को मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं और किस प्रकार से गवर्नमेंट हो या फिर गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो, इन एजेंसीज, बिजनेस, टीचर्स, एनजीओज, दे हैव टू वर्क फॉर द राइट्स ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन. एंड ही इज गिविंग सो मेनी एग्जाम्पल्स देयर आल्सो. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट paragraph? Today, beyond the darkness, I see the smiling faces of our children in the blinking stars. Today, in every wave of every ocean, I see my children are playing and dancing. Today, in every plant, in every tree and every mountain, I see our children growing freely with the dignity. Now, see the vision of Kailash Satyarthi here. What is this vision? Beyond the darkness. Though there may be darkness today even for some children, but I see what? The children will be smiling in future, just like the blinking stars. Even every wave of every ocean, it means what? Every child or all children are playing and dancing. Every plant, every tree and every mountain, even in the lap of nature, the children are growing freely with dignity. Look how Kailash Satyarthi has a very great vision for all the children. Dear students, we need to understand this because this is very important part related to children and their rights. Friends, I want you to see and feel this today inside you. Yes, now this is very sensitive. समझने आपको अगर समझना है तो यू शुड हैव व्हाट? एम्पैथी. अगर कोई सफ़र कर रहा है तो उसका सफ़र कैसा हो सकता है? वी कैन फील दैट. वी हैव टू फील दैट. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दैट इज़ वाई फील दिस टुडे इनसाइड यू. आज जो है हमें फील करना है. माई डियर सिस्टर्स एंड ब्रदर्स, एज आई सेड, मेनी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग टुडे. May I please request you to put your hand close to your heart? Close your eyes and feel the child inside you. I am sure you can. Now listen to that child. Listen, please. Today I see thousands of Mahatma Gandhis, Nelson Mandelas, Martin Luther Kings calling on us. Wow, very fantastic, impressive. Kailash Satyarthi is requesting this question. You can see this question there. What does Mr. Satyarthi request the listeners? He is requesting what? We have to feel that child who is inside us. Every person has to feel that childhood also. Even today it is possible, and we have to listen to that child. And yes, if you are going to feel that, you are going to be, and that is why he's saying, I see so many thousands of Mahatma Gandhis, Nelson Mandelas, and Martin Luther King, because all these people worked for the society. They worked for the great cause. They worked for the humanity. मानवता के लिए उन्होंने काम किया था. And the most important, they worked for peace. शांति के लिए, global peace in the world. They worked for that. Let us, what is next one? Let us democratize knowledge. Let us universalize justice. Together, let us globalize compassion. डेमोक्रेटिक बनाना है हमें, सब लोगों के लिए फ्री. लेट अस डेमोक्रेटाइज नॉलेज, सबके लिए फ्री. लेट अस यूनिवर्सलाइज ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. जस्टिस शुड बी देयर, हर एक को जस्टिस मिलना चाहिए. एंड इवन दिस कंपैशन, already I told you the meaning of compassion. What is compassion? That is the feeling pity or concern for one's suffering. And in this way, he is requesting to all the people. And what is the last part of this one? Then I call upon you in this room and all across the world. I call for a march from exploitation to education. I call for a march from poverty to shared prosperity. A march from slavery to liberty, and a march from violence to peace. Let us march from ignorance to awakening. Let us march from darkness to light. Let us march from mortality to divinity. And that is why, what is the last part here? Let us march. We all together must continue this particular cause. And now you can understand why is he saying in this way. What is exploitation? Taking undue advantage of, किसी का फायदा करना, वो फायदा लेना हम जिसे कहते हैं exploitation. Now he is saying what exploitation अगर किसी का होता है तो we have to provide education to them. अगर कोई गरीब है तो उसे हमें क्या करना है? shared prosperity होना, हर कोई क्या होना, हर everybody should be rich. वहाँ पे गुलामी नहीं चाहिए हमें. what do we want? We want freedom, we want liberty. हमें आज़ादी चाहिए. and a march from violence to peace. हमें फाइट नहीं होना, हमें शांति चाहिए. and let us march from the ignorance to awakening. इग्नोर किसी को नहीं रखना है हमें. we should not ignore anybody even. there should be awakening. everyone must be aware of the things. and let us march from darkness to light. डार्कनेस का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, पॉवर्टी जिसे गरीबी, स्लेवरी गुलामी, वायलेंस फाइट, इग्नोरेंस नहीं चाहिए हमें. देन दैट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? ये सब डार्कनेस है, हमें जाना है कहाँ? लाइट. व्हाट इज लाइट? लाइट मीन्स एजुकेशन, शेयर्ड प्रॉस्पेरिटी, फ्रीडम एंड देन पीस. And that is why he is appealing all the people there. Let us march, or we have to go ahead and together. Dear students, हमने अभी तक ये जो पार्ट है, पार्ट 2 और पार्ट 3, ये पर्टिकुलर ये पार्ट 3 है और ये पार्ट 2 हमने यहाँ भी ये पर्टिकुलर वीडियो लेसन में डिस्कस किया है. इससे पहले पार्ट 1 में जो दिया था आपको समझ लेना है. जैसे कि पार्ट 1 यहाँ पे स्टार्ट होता है. फॉर दिस यू हैव टू वॉच पार्ट 1 फर्स्ट. ये पार्ट 1 है. शुरुआत की थी उन्होंने, इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था किस प्रकार से राइट्स ऑफ चिल्ड्रन हम उन्हें दे रहे नहीं हैं. हम वी आर नॉट गिविंग देम, वी आर नॉट even thinking of the sufferings of our children. Then he made that background, what is important there. He talked about India. He mentioned so many names there like Kalu Kumar, Dhumdas, Adarsh Kishore, and some people like Mahatma Gandhi also, Malala Yousafzai, some other girls also. And he gave so many examples thereof how he freed so many children from their sufferings. And he is talking about different religions also, and what is the view and what are the views of these religions about children. Then he talked about how इवन मिलिट्री एक्सपेंडिचर जो है हमारा ग्लोबल है मिलिट्री एक्सपेंडिचर 1 वीक का सब चिल्ड्रन को क्लासरूम में भेज सकता है. एजुकेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट स्लेवरी शुड नॉट बी देयर एंड इज टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरी चाइल्ड मस्ट बी फ्री टू ग्रो, डेवलप, eat, sleep and see daylight, laugh and cry, play, learn, go to school and above all free to dream. Then he gives some examples there again. He talked about some crisis there, and then we talked about what Malala Yousafzai. He talked about Malala Yousafzai and other people also. And there are so many unacknowledged, unrecognized and unknown to the world. They are giving the solution. They are working for the great cause of the rights of the children. And in part 2 we discussed how he motivated people. He gave so many examples there, and we have to work together. He is saying that one we feel that we should inculcate that what is that compassion, that feeling should be there. Concern, we should have concern for those sufferings. Again he gave the examples over here of Mahatma Gandhi. He gave one example of 8-year-old girl here, and how he rescued that girl and how that girl asked him the question. He gave that one here, and he's talking about we should not have this surround for our children just like passivity which is full of passivity and pessimism. And then in part 3 he allotted, or he is talking about the works of governments, intergovernmental agencies, businesses, then faith leaders, workers, teachers, NGOs, and also he has explained that one in details. And the most important part, what is that? He mentioned the problems of children over here. I am going to make the box to that one again over here. Slavery, trafficking, then what is there? Slavery, trafficking, child marriage, child labor, sexual abuse and illiteracy. All these problems are mentioned here, and he talked about the global compassion for this, and we must work for our children and their rights also. And he even appealed all the people, we have to march together. Dear students, आपको सिर्फ ये लेसन जो है आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है इतना ही नहीं, बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे हमें शेयर की है. एंड रियली बोर्ड हैज़ प्रिस्क्राइब्ड वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, वेरी नाइस टेक्स्ट इन योर सिलेबस. हमें यहाँ समझ आता है कि चिल्ड्रन के जो प्रॉब्लम है क्या है, किस प्रकार से हमें समझ लेने हैं. एंड इवन अराउंड अस वी ऑब्जर्व सच थिंग्स. इवन बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स है हमें हमेशा देखते हैं हम, लेकिन उसे नज़रअंदाज कर देते. वी शुड नॉट डू दैट वन. होप देयर विल बी पॉजिटिव चेंज इन यू ऑल, एंड आई एम श्योर दैट whatever I discussed with you, you understood this one. And after this third video will be part 3, and in that we are going to discuss English workshop. One more time I would like to mention that Let Us March is the speech by Kailash Satyarthi, and it was delivered in 2014 before or in the Nobel Prize ceremony. And here you can, in bracket you can see a Nobel acceptance speech by Kailash Satyarthi. Thank you so much. I request you all to subscribe my channel, share and like the channel. Thank you so much.